In fish and shrimp farming, feeding at the right time can make the difference between ordinary production and profitable production. Introducing the Solar Automatic Feeder for aquaculture. Designed to operate directly on the pond, this system uses solar power to distribute feed evenly around the farming area. No complicated wiring. Less dependence on the power grid. Less time spent feeding manually every day. The upper tank stores the feed, while the lower dispensing system spreads it around the floating platform, helping fish and shrimp receive a more even and consistent feeding cycle. This can help reduce feed waste, improve feed utilization, and simplify daily pond management. It is an ideal solution for aquaculture farms, tilapia ponds, shrimp farming, carp production, and other pond-based systems. Automate your feeding. Save time, improve control, increase efficiency. The Solar Automatic Feeder for fish and shrimp farming, a smart tool for the future of aquaculture.